looking up? You smiling? Oh, there it is.
When you look at it, I'm looking around the room here going, what kind of technologies, what kind of innovation, what kind of capabilities could we have developed? What kind of capabilities of the future so we continue to prevent and help out our soldiers on the battlefield, which we still have over in Syria and Iraq right now. They are still out there, okay? And so that's why this is that important to what we do.
Columbus State is looking at this as an opportunity to really engage in advanced technologies which includes, computer science, cybersecurity, robotics engineering, artificial intelligence. It's just advanced technology, which is really going to dominate all of our lives as we move forward.
Specifically for this last semester and this semester, we've been learning how to operate the drones. So last semester we focused on just building it and getting familiar with the framework and the software for it. And then this semester we want to work more on it being autonomous. So we want to be able to use computer vision to be able to do like obstacle detection, obstacle avoidance, with mounting a couple cameras to it, maybe some sensors.
These facilities have already proven their value at places like Fort Stewart, Drum, Campbell, and Liberties, and we're happy to add 4 more to the list. Seemingly small innovation can make an outsized difference in combat where minutes and inches matter. Innovating with soldiers leads to precise solutions to precise problems applied at the right time and right place, and doing that at scale can win the battle.